Alright guys, we're back. We're installing Kolpin Outdoors goodies on this Kawasaki Teryx, 2012 Kawasaki Teryx. We've got a gun boot, the XL, fits big size guns, AR style, fit in this awesome strong hold auto latch mount. Just gonna mount this guy right to the bed here. Cargo spider, synthetic winch cable, dome light. We're stoked. Let's get it going. Alright, first off, check this out. Stronghold auto latch, look at that. It's just gonna, you just mount the gun right here, boom. Here's the mounting bracket. We've decided we're gonna go right here. Let's do this properly. Right here. Why is that? We've got a window blocking our bars. This is where we're going. Let's take a look at this. Alright, let's get into it. Gun boot, XL. You gotta pull the packaging out first, right? Alright, what we're thinking of doing, we're gonna mount it right here, right on the bed. Doesn't interfere with the lights, and we can still see out back. Right, we've measured. That's our center. We're drilling. Alright, it says to use a 3/8 inch drill bit. Here we go. Make sure we're center. First two holes are in. Here's our instructions. And this is our application. It's got multiple different applications, side mount, roll bar. We're going with the bedside mounting, or the back of the bed in this case. All right, we're drilled, 4 holes. I gotta be honest guys, these instructions are probably the easiest instruction you're ever gonna find. Made in USA, so it's actually in, English that you would understand. Look at this. We're gonna just mount her in, put our bolts in, and she's in. Super easy. This is one of the easiest instructions I've ever done. So, boom. Bolt, washer, line it up. You're in. Bolt, washer, in. You guessed it again. Bolt, washer, in. And on the back, you're gonna use these flat brackets. And boom, bolts, nuts, bam. Here's a latch from the back side. Flat plate, nut, and you're in. Before we over tighten, or tighten them on, here's our quick release mount. Put it through, there you go. Look, it can slide, so you can get all different type of mounting setups. Let's put it in. This is how I'm doing it. Old-fashioned way. And when they say don't over tighten, they mean don't over tighten. You over tighten this thing and it's gonna collapse this. I pretty much almost did that right up on the very last one. Learned a lesson. She's mounted. Yeah. Let's get the big boys in here now. And there we are. We're on. You guys ready for this? Here we go. She's in. Look at this. And then, boom, boom. You have a boot to keep your gun from getting dirty and gross. You're golden. And look at that interior. Ooh, look at that. That is posh. Yeah. I'm gonna have to say I love the gun boot. And look, Velcro. Nice. She's on. Looks just like the picture. Yeah. Moving on. Just want to look at this. Just up close. This was super easy, guys. Had I not been filming 5 minutes, 10 minutes tops. This is super easy. 4 bolts, 2 bolts. You're on.